Hi everyone, I'm Jack. My Chinese name is Wang Ping. When I was just a kid, around 10 years old, still in elementary school, my sister, who's 3 years older and already in middle school, came home one day and told me some simple English words like 笔 for 蜜蜂, face for 脸. I thought it was so cool. That's when I fell in love with the English language. From then, through middle school and high school, my English grades were always top-notch. They say interest is the best teacher, right? Especially in my senior years of high school, I was obsessed, studying English every single day. I didn't know what it'd be used for, but I just loved it. After high school, I didn't get into college, so I dedicated to join the army. Growing up in a rural family, I thought becoming a soldier, maybe getting promoted or attending military academies could change my life. But my darn bodies, it just wasn't cut out for the army. 3 years later, I had to return home. Back in my hometown, I did whatever I could to make ends meet. I worked in restaurants, on construction sites, and sold shoes, opened my own small shop, even worked as a security guard. You name it. I tried it, but nothing really took off. Then, in 2003, during the SARS outbreak, my younger brother, who's been working in Guangzhou, came back home. He had an idea. Let's start an embroidery design studio together. He'd been an embroidery designer for 5 years at a company, and he knew I'd been teaching myself English all these days. Our first website was called Great Wall EMB, now updated to beatmap2victor.com, focused on serving overseas clients, mainly from English-speaking countries like the US and Canada. In 2004, our embroidery studio officially opened. We even brought 2 embroidery machines to offer local embroidery service. Around 2015, things started to shift. By then, we had close to 100 regular clients. Some of them began asking if we could help with the small embroidery patches or other related products. Slowly, we started sourcing other items for them, custom promotional gifts, mostly. Then came 2019 when COVID hit. Many of our American clients asked us to source masks for them. I was out there taking risks, running between factories every day. But you know what? Helping my clients solve their problems made me so happy. That's when I officially started my sourcing agency business. My main clients are still small and medium-sized businesses in US and Europe, especially those who can't come to China to source products for themselves. From OEM to ODM, I've served hundreds of clients so far, with procurement deals totaling tens of millions of dollars. Looking back, I'm so grateful for English. It changed my life, made it better, and I'm even more grateful for the clients who trusted and supported me along the way. Without you, I wouldn't be there. I wouldn't be where I am today. Some clients, like my friend Bernie, have been with me for 20 years. We've gone from business partners to true friends. We talk about everything. In the days to come, I'll keep serving my clients, new and old, with honesty and integrity. I'm not just a procurement agent. I'm your business partner, your friends, and our motto: once promote AF, always promote AF. The reason I'm sharing my story here is simply to let you know, on the other side of the screen, understand that the one serving you is a fresh and blood person just like you, someone with love, family, a passion for life, and a desire to work hard to make life better, not a cold, profit-driven machine.